Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So hope you guys are doing good and hope your new year went really well. And I was actually traveling a lot, and I got lot from small shops here and there. So I hope you guys saw my shots before. So that's what we are going to unbox this week. But I just want to showcase that a little bit clearer. So here it is. So this is a Rodger Dodger. I do have a Rodger Dodger from very old case. One of my friend actually sold it to me long back when I started the channel. So I still have that, but I didn't unbox it. That is the Larry Wood edition, if I'm not wrong. So this one I bought for 179, which is the MRP. So and second one is going to be this. So the BMW 635 CSI. Okay, so I did unbox this in this glittery green color, the dark green one, but someone actually asked me to unbox this in this specific color. So originally I missed this casting. I mean, I purposely left this casting out, but when I was on travel, I found this in one very small shop. So I was like, okay, so someone asked this, so why don't we just buy it and do it? So I bought it again. So honestly, I bought this just for that one guy. I don't know who that person is, but I bought it just for him. Okay, so next one is okay. So this is a bounce and bass. I know this is a fantasy casting, but I mean the color looks really gorgeous on this one, so I bought it. I mean, some people actually hype this casting up a little bit. So this is actually a new casting for 2026. I think this is from A case, if I'm not wrong. So I wanted to unbox and see how this one actually looks. So I personally love this combination, this golden with purple. And again, I don't know, people are saying Hot Wheels are coming for 116, and I know Matchbox are coming for 167. So one of my friend actually bought me a couple of Matchbox cars for 167, but I don't know why Hot Wheels are still coming for 179. Still not sure. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Here is the another one. Okay, this is a new casting for 2026. This one I know it is from AKS. So this is the Monopoly's 90 years anniversary version. So I really want to see this, if this has both metal chassis and metal body. And this actually resembles the token you used to play in that particular game. I never actually owned a Monopoly. I do have one now, but that is not this exact version. I mean, that is a very small miniature version where you can take it and travel anywhere. So I bought that sometime, I think a year or 2 years back. So that doesn't have anything like this in metal or even in plastic. But I do have some Johnny Lightnings now, which has this specific token. I think one or two I do have. Yeah, two I have, if I'm not wrong. So I am really excited to unbox that particular one, this pass and go. Okay, so this is actually a treasure hunt for this particular case, as you can see here. I hope you guys can able to see it. Since this is gray color, it is a bit hard to see. The light is reflecting a lot now. Okay, you can see the treasure hunt logo here. So I do have this casting multiple, in I think one or two variations at least. I did unbox it. So I originally left this casting out. My wife, told us, so you got both TH and STH. So TH is already there. Why you are leaving that out? Okay, just buy it. So I bought it. So the last but not least, finally I found this particular STH. So I mean, somehow I bought this. I mean, I got this. Actually, these two I bought it in same shop again. All of these are bought from different shops, not in one single shop, and in different cities, to be honest. So but I bought none of this in Chennai. That's a fun thing here. So not even one casting gear I bought in Chennai. Some I bought in Trichy, some I bought in Coimbatore. uh, I don't know, there is one or I think this one, I think I bought it, I think I bought in Trichy, if I'm not wrong. So it's a mix from all this travel which I did. And next week is going to be a little bit awesome, because I did get all this Majorits premium, that entire set I bought, that 899 version I'm talking about. Honestly, man, those look so awesome. And I'm really excited to unbox those compared to this. So, but okay, so because a lot of people actually, like Hot Wheels, at least for the nostalgic reason. So I thought, okay, let's do Hot Wheels this week, because I know I'm actually doing a lot of throwbacks in past 3 weeks. I mean, to be honest, I only did throwback in past 3 weeks. So this week I wanted to unbox at least whatever I got from this Q case and P case as well, sorry, A case from 2026. So I'm not sure whether I will be getting any more Hot Wheels because none of the shops are actually giving anything now. I mean, it's been more than a year at least. So no one actually calling me nowadays, and I'm not getting anything. So I'm getting something like this from random shops only. So if you guys want to help out, by if you are in Chennai, if you guys want to help out by giving your castings to unbox, you guys are more than welcome. I'll do a shout out and I will even tag your Instagram or Facebook profile, depends on whatever you are having. So I did some time back something like this. So one of my friend actually gave me one customized Benz. He swapped the wheels. That looks really nice. I do want to do a video on that, since during New Year I didn't get proper time to do that. So I thought of doing this maybe next coming set or so. So in the similar way, if you guys want to showcase something, if you guys want, if you are planning to unbox something like I do, and if you want to do it in the channel, if you want me to do it, I will do it for you guys. That's I'm more than happy to do it. And again, I will do a shout out and I will tag your links. I mean Facebook or um, Instagram links, but not a WhatsApp group link. Please don't ask me on that particular thing, because that's up to you. That's your own thing, guys. So with that said, I don't want to take much of your time. It's already more than 6 minutes now. I didn't see that yet. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a great day. Goodbye.